Rosita? Did you know there's a right way to sneeze?
Let's show them, Elmo.
Got it! When you feel like your nose needs to give it at you, this is how you act, this is what you do.
Lift your arm up high, bend it toward your face.
Sneeze right there.